This is also like in our traditional medicine class, right? We talk about this form of healing very often because it is how our ancestors healed. We didn't see viruses or germs or ailments as something that we have to like eradicate, because you will never eradicate them. They belong in the world the way you belong in the world. They just want something, and that thing they want is in conflict with what you yourself want, right? And the only reason they're even able to penetrate is because you are in conflict with one thing or another, right? Maybe you haven't kept your physical health up, or your spiritual health up. If your spirit is weak, it's easier to get sick. It is easier to get sick. In like contemporary science, they have all these different ways of describing it, but we've been saying this for forever. Oh, when you're depressed, your immune system did it. Okay, sure, whatever, right? But when you're spiritually weakened, when you're down, when your spirit is down, you're permeable. It's easy for things to permeate you and hurt you and things like that.